Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we'll be solving another very interesting question from radical expressions. If x is cube root of square root 2025 plus square root 2000, then we have to evaluate expression x over cube root of 320. Let's say this required expression is e. Now I can write x will be equal to cube root of square root 2025 we can factor as 81 times 25 plus square root 2000. So we can factor 2000 as 80 times 25. Now we can write cube root of square root 81 times square root 25 plus square root 80 times square root 25 with cube root. Now square root 25 is 5, square root 81 is 9. So I can write cube root of 9 times 5 plus square root 80 we can factor 16 times 5 times 5. Now 5 we will take common in the radicand. So in the bracket this will be 9 plus square root 16 times square root 5. So we can write 4 root 5. Now using radicals property we can write cube root 5 times cube root 9 plus 4 square root 5. Now I will multiply our numerator and denominator with cube root 64, which is 4. Now I will club these two, cube root 5 and cube root 64. Let's write here x will be equal to cube root 5 times cube root 64 times cube root 9 plus 4 root 5 and denominator was 4. Cube root 64 is 4. Or we can write cube root of, let's combine these two radicands. So 5 times 64 times cube root of 9 plus 4 root 5 over 4. Now we can write cube root of 320, 5 times 64 is 320 times cube root of 9 plus 4 square root 5 over 4. This is x. Now I will divide both sides by cube root 320. So I will write here cube root 320 and here also we will multiply denominator with cube root 320. Now this will be over and this LHS, this will be expression E, required expression E, which will be equal to cube root of 9 plus 4 root 5 over 4. Let's say this cube root is y, denominator is 4. So we have to find y first. Let me write here. But before that, if you are an Olympiad aspirant or planning to do preparation for SOF, CREST, Unicus, Silver Zone, ASSET, ITO, Hummingbird from grade 2 to grade 10, then Olympiad Success offers you live interactive sessions, PYQs, tests and many more. Please check out the description box for further details and use referral code GYAN15 to get 15% discount. Let's come back to our problem. So I can write expression E equal to y over 4 and y is cube root of 9 plus 4 square root 5. Now I will consider cubing both sides. So cube root and cube will be over. We will write y cube equal to 9 plus 4 square root 5. Now 9 is greater than 8. So we can write y cube must be greater than 8. And 9 plus 4 root 5 is less than 27. So y cube will be less than 27. So from here we can conclude y will lie in the interval 2 and 3. Now I will assume z cube, which is conjugate of y cube, 9 minus 4 root 5. Let's add these two equations. So I can write y cube plus z cube equal to 9 plus 9, 18. Let's say equation 1 it is. Now I will multiply these two. So I can write y cube times z cube. This will be equal to 9 plus 4 root 5 times 9 minus 4 root 5, a plus b times a minus b. So 9 square minus 4 root 5 whole square, which will be equal to 81 minus 80. So this difference will become 1, or we can write 1 cube. Now for real yz, I will consider cube root both sides and we will collect yz equal to 1. And this equation I will call equation 2. Remember our expression is y over 4. Let's find out y first. So I will write y cube plus z cube equal to 18 and yz equal to 1. Let us assume y plus z equal to t, and let's apply the identity y plus z whole cube, which will be equal to y cube plus z cube plus 3yz y plus z. Y plus z is our substitution t. So I can write t cube equal to 18. Y cube plus z cube is 18 plus 3 times 1 times t. Or we can write t cube equal to 18 plus 3t. Take all the terms to LHS. T cube minus 3t minus 18 equal to 0. Equation is cubic. I will use method of factorization. So I can write t cube minus 3t and minus 18 we can split minus 27 plus 9 equal to 0. Or we can write t cube minus 27 minus 3t plus 9 equal to 0. Or we can write t cube minus 3 cube and then minus 3 is common in the bracket, t minus 3 equal to 0. Now I can apply a cube minus b cube formula here. So I can write t cube minus 3 cube minus 3 t minus 3 equal to 0. So I will write t minus 3 times t square plus 3t plus 9 minus 3 t minus 3 equal to 0. Or we can take t minus 3 common out. So in other bracket we'll have t square plus 3t plus 9 minus 3 equal to 0. Or we can write t minus 3 times t square plus 3t plus 6 equal to 0. So from here we can write either t minus 3 will be 0 or t square plus 3t plus 6 equal to 0. From first equation I can conclude t will be equal to 3 and t was our substitution y plus z equal to 3, and our second equation was yz equal to 1. So we can think about one quadratic equation whose roots are y and z. then this is sum of roots, and this is product of roots. So I can frame one quadratic equation in y itself. This will be y square minus sum of roots, which is 3 times y plus product of roots equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. And if I will check discriminant for this quadratic equation, then b square minus 4 times 1 times 6, which is equal to 9 minus 24. Discriminant is negative. We will get complex solutions. So we can reject. So this quadratic will be rejected. Now we have to solve only this quadratic equation for the value of our expression. So let us write y equal to minus b. So minus of minus 3 plus minus is square root of minus 3 square, which is 9, minus 4. So square root 5 over 2. So we will get two values from here. 3 plus root 5 over 2 and 3 minus root 5 over 2. If we will check values, then here we are getting value in the interval 2 and 3. And this value is less than 1, decimal value. So we will reject 3 minus root 5 as our solution for y. Now our answer for expression will become e equal to y over 4. So I will write 3 plus root 5 over 2 over 4. So answer will come out over 8. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.